channel, and today we are going to do weird moments that people are singing. Right now, we are not taking. Some YouTubers actually take stuff from other YouTubers that other people that posted these online. We are actually doing these in real life. We are actually doing this in real life. So yeah, let's do this.
My 1 0. Go. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to catch Raleigh putting on her shoes while she's singing.
Oh, hi.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to catch Raleigh and Macy. Reagan and Macy snoring. I think they're snoring in this room, so let's check it out. Oh my oh my god.
Thanks, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was funny to you. I was happy because I said JK. I wasn't really snoring. She was.
She was actually snoring.
So, no, I wasn't. Yeah. It was just a ringtone.
Why did they have to catch me singing in the shower?
Ringtone. We never show your face. Dun, dun,
dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
I was singing in the shower. Okay, bye, guys.